Hey guys, it's Anna from MacHollywood again, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new LaCie DJI Copilot hard drive. This heavy-duty 2TB drive is also splash, dust, and drop resistant, making it the perfect on-set companion. Out of the box, it comes with a microSD adapter, USB-C and USB-C to USB cable for connecting the laptops, Lightning cable for connecting to an iPhone, micro USB and USB-C for connecting to an Android, its wall charger, and its own set of international power converters. BOSS stands for Backup On-Set Solution, and that's what's so unique about this drive. You can use the SD card slot or the USB port to copy files directly from your devices to the drive, instead of having to import them using a computer first. Then you can manage your files on the go with the Copilot BOSS app. You can even use the drive to charge your phone. This model also comes with 1 free month membership for all Adobe Creative Cloud Suite apps. Once connected, you can manage all your files on both devices. It's easy to view, copy, and move your local files over to the DJI manually. It also comes with LaCie's 3-year data recovery service. Once connected, you can view and play back any file currently on the drive. Because it's a wired connection, you can run full 4K with no lag or loss of resolution. When connected to another device or SD card, Easy Copy lets you directly transfer all the data over from your DJI with the click of a button. Status updates on the Copilot screen show you how much free data is on the card, asks you if you want to copy those files, and lets you know when your files are done importing. Overall, the LaCie Copilot is a powerhouse drive built to solve those pesky problems that traditional drives have when working on the go. They currently retail for $350 and are available now in store or at MacHollywood.com. Thanks for watching the video. Feel free to comment, like, or subscribe, and check us out on Instagram.